Hi, this is Sudhir from Frolic Edutainment. We are a startup from Hyderabad. We are also an official Google for Education partners. Since lockdown has begun, we have been interacting with more than 100 plus schools across the country. We have seen schools facing lot of difficulties in running their school online. It is very disheartening to see lot of schools shutting down, not coping up with the current pandemic situation. So, we are extending our help in integrating Google for Education at absolutely no cost. We'll be setting Google for Education accounts and training teachers online. Now, what is Google for Education? How is it going to help your school? Let us go through some of the features. Though you will be using lot of tools as a part of Google for Education, there are three main tools that every teacher and student will be using. Those are Gmail, Google Classroom, and Google Meet. Gmail. Every school will be assigned with 10,000 licenses. That means you can create accounts for all your students, teachers, and everyone in your school on school domain name. On that means the domain will be of format sudhir at the rate yourschool.com. This is very important because only authorized students with valid email ID will be accessing your content and attending your online classes. And next important tool is Google Meet. Teacher can conduct online classes using this tool. There is no limitation on number of hours a teacher will be teaching. Some features are you can mute all the students with one click. You can also take attendance. You can see here it will automatically record the attendance on date wise. As a part of Google Meet, teacher can also share the screen and share a whiteboard with the students where teacher can write and display it to the students. It is called Jamboard. They can access it from their Gmail accounts itself. You can see a whiteboard that can be shared with the students. Teachers can write anything on this board. They can have a multiple blackboard, or they can have a blue board, or they can have a whiteboard. And the best part is they can even quickly search for an image, and they can insert it on the whiteboard, and teacher can start writing it on the image. Any, Google search is directly integrated into this, where teacher can search for any image and quickly insert into the board. This is how teacher will be conducting effective online classes. Now coming to Google Classroom, this is where you will be sharing content with your students, and teacher and student will be interacting, almost in real time. You can share any content, any YouTube content directly. You can also conduct online examinations like this. Teacher and student can interact over an assignments. You can see all of the students' work will be shared. Teacher can also award marks. Teacher can look at what is the work shared by the student and give comments. Yes, teacher can award marks. Teacher can give a private comment. And this can be sent to the student When teacher clicks on the return, this will be notified as a notification as well as a mail to all the students and parents. Teacher can also maintain a grades sheet. All the teachers can enter the marks here. The missing is nothing but the student did not submit the assignment in right time. Teacher can give, you can see the summative assessment score, overall grade will be given, and every student will be stored with a profile, all the work done by the student. This way, you can do all of your, manage your complete academics using Google Classroom. Please reach out to us if you want to integrate Google for Education in your school.